Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology using an easy method. First, avoid passive reading. Instead, actively engage with your study materials. Try creating flashcards for important terms and concepts, which helps solidify them in your memory. Visualizing complex biological processes by drawing diagrams and flowcharts can also make understanding much clearer. This active approach is a foundational step for effective learning. Next, incorporate spaced repetition into your routine. Reviewing material at increasing intervals significantly strengthens long-term retention. Don't forget to practice regularly with past exam questions or quizzes. This helps pinpoint any areas where your understanding might be weak. Additionally, explaining concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner can reveal gaps and deepen your comprehension, making the information stick. Utilize all available resources to your advantage. Online videos and interactive simulations can offer different perspectives and supplement your textbook readings effectively. Consider forming a study group. Discussing challenging topics with peers often clarifies difficult concepts and provides new insights. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps 10 to 15 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and maintain optimal focus during your study sessions. Finally, connect and apply your biological knowledge. Try relating new information to real-world examples or linking it with concepts you already understand. A powerful technique is to teach a concept to someone else. This truly solidifies your own understanding. And critically, ensure you get adequate sleep, around 7 to 9 hours each night, as proper rest is essential for your brain to consolidate all that new learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.